Yo gogo ibandlo tech full la inyiko athuzeli ukuzocula la fokol stress ithi lakta phana cash loku popul fresh niggas ngakayina next mara so cool nisika blind and unkhohlul that's why in randa speaker grind
every day ke tsolela late o nyaka ngwe
Go do.
o ntse ko ena no le dingwe a le disetlo ya o tsama lo yetsa
What's the name?
becomes louder and louder.
No, quite not too much.
Sanbonani dumelang abusheni hellos, this is me your man DJ Salty and ke ko cut Haksali DJ ke Salty. Welcome to Stamto podcast. Bona ke re mo le moteng. Come dine with us and sit back, relax, kitima ke pelentse ko botsa. Come running o ye ko ntlung khiamenya ko bona, just lock the doors, close your ears or put your headsets, take your phone, get on YouTube and say Stamto podcast. You'll get us Nale Poppy and so anyways, don't forget, like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Yes.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Stamto Podcast. Coming back to you with nice hot sizzling news. With me, of course, Poppy. I'm baking your faces like I never left, honey. As Salty has said, grab your coffee, grab your snacks, and lock yourself in the room in order to watch me talking too much. And remember, everything we say here is what? It is alleged.
It's alleged.
It's alleged.
It's alleged.
And remember to what? Like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. This is our bread, darling.
Yeah, please guys, betang the notification bell and subscribe. We're asking for that subscription inje. No pressure, subscribe. That's it.
It's a valid elongation. But today we want to talk about what's happening in South Africa. Why are our celebrities dying?
Oh yeah.
Why do they die at the age? I think they don't reach they don't reach the age 40. Let me just say 50.
No, 41
40,
going up.
41.
41 going up.
The golden age, they don't reach it. Why? What's going on?
No, ke flop. Our South African celebrities are dying at the early ages.
Hey, I hope I don't die. Hey,
wait,
I'm a celeb, Jordan.
Wait, Joe. Are you? Welcome. You won't die. You understand? It's so sad because our South African celebrities they don't. What's happening? I don't know. Drugs.
With the drugs.
Do you think drugs? Pella, there are less. Our South Africa, like these few South African celebrities that we can count.
You guys died. The OJs.
You understand. So now our South African celebrities die at early ages. Mm-hmm. Actually, a lot of them 37, 36. There is no 38. There was 37, jumped 40.
The only one who died at the age of 38 is Double HP. That's the only one. From there, 36, 37, 39, 30.
Why can't we have our the legend? The legend, it's the youth now becoming legend. Because now we've got the legend that Bobo, Masikela, Mamang, those old celebrities keep on showing at that age. But Rona moving forward, we don't have those
older celebrities.
There's older celebrities, and it's sad. What's happening? Like, do you think it's on that?
Maybe.
Nah, man.
But some say like it's a cult that they join. Some say sacrifices. Some say me personally drugs. But they die very funny deaths. Very, very funny deaths.
It's a all of a sudden thing.
Yeah. You know?
All of a sudden
I was so hurt how Ricky Rick died, and I loved him so much. And I was like, but why?
All of literally 20, come on, this Presley just died. All of a sudden thing.
All of a sudden thing.
The gospel singer,
Sfiso.
all of a sudden thing.
But Sfiso not dala gula. Dala says gula. He was showing signs of recovery, and it is sad, man. It's sad. Like now we no longer have people we can look up to and be like, I look up to you. Hey, we don't. And then some of them die, and people are now speculating that they mingle with the wrong people. After mingling with them, things happen. Like so no on my Facebook page, they were busy posting every celebrity that died after meeting Casper Nyovest. And I'm like, Mara Casper,
how old is Casper? 30 something?
Maybe next year he's 40.
Yeah, Mara, why did I Casper? Casper is Casper.
We tell us a Brenda
Casper is hustling. Casper is a hustler. Casper, let me tell you one thing. Casper is not all over. Let me tell you. Casper, when I'm saying Casper, it's not all over. I mean, hore. Yeah, and August Mona Tale. 2 minutes, but Casper go birthday party in Amman. 2 minutes, Casper was in Mauritius. 2 minutes, Casper, whatever Casper does. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Casper does these things. Whatever, Lady Camera, whatever, why he hates and he adverts, he promotes, he at his house, he do whatever in his house, in his house, maybe higher performer. And then after performing, comes back in his house. Unless Napola, his old friend was Martimang. The Ayep, no, not Heavy K. Ayep owner. DJ somebody. Yeah, somebody was his friend. Casper was always in Ayep. Ayep, Pretoria or Cape Town. You understand? But besides that, after that, whatever he does,
let's go high
in his house. Understand? So we can never say Casper what stories. Live stories. Little stories.
Speculating.
Yeah, don't say Casper and so on. So, like, how many celebrities that died at the?
We have Sahara, Sfiso Ncwane, R Mashesha, Brenda Fassie, DJ Somebody, Ricky Rick, Vusi, Mendoza, Pro Kid, Mshoza, Double HP, and Mambinja. 12 celebrities, including Presley. Is it Presley or Presley? Presley, aka a lot of celebrities. I can count up to 20 if I have a full list.
To have their ages. They died?
Yeah. Zahara 36.
Zahara 36.
Yeah. Sfiso 37.
Sfiso Ncwane 37, yeah.
Mashesha 35.
Armashesha. Who's Armashesha?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, Armashesha. Yeah. The Bacardi.
Oh,
the Bacardi DJ what in Pretoria. Armashesha
35. Brenda Fassie 39.
Imagine Brenda Fassie 39.
Imagine such an idol. DJ Somebody 35. Ricky 34. Vusi Ma'ar 35.
Vusi R.
Yeah, Vusi Ma'ar. I don't know who's.
Oh, Vusima R5, something like that, 37. Yeah.
Mendoza, age 30.
Oh no! What do you mean? What's that thing? Mendoza, age 30.
Yeah, Mendoza was still a kid when he died.
Mendoza, age 30, guys.
Yes, Mendoza was a baby.
But he looked old.
And not drugs, like I said, bro.
No, you can never say drugs. Mendoza, age 30.
Drugs, yeah, Mendoza. Mendoza was sniffing cocaine like crazy.
Age 30. He died young, most.
Yeah.
Okay, but he became famous at a young age. Okay. And then who?
We also
Mendoza, age 30.
Yeah. And then Mendoza looks like to blame the drugs.
Allegedly, the drugs.
Yeah, but he was everywhere though.
They said it's alleged.
Then Pro Kid, age 37.
Age 37.
Mshoza, age 37. Double HP, 38. Mambinja, 39.
Imagine.
Now I want to check on our youngsters like Kostatic. Kostatic, I know he was still a child when he died. Attack epilepsy on the stage. Crazy. Very sad.
It's very sad, ne?
Very, very
Imagine,
sad.
like Mzansi, imagine our man, Joe, it worries me because our celebrities these days, they die. Guys, come on, let's go, let's pray. Aren't dwelling the lots of snacks, man. Aren't dwelling the lots of snacks. Let's go to church, let's pray, let's talk to God. You understand? Being a celebrity, yes, it's fun and so on. Let's go drink alcohol, but come back. Aren't dwelling to the snacks. Let's not join what we don't know. You understand?
Cows have a lot of demands. Mafuna ukuthwala. Esithwala kahle ongathwali kabi.
Now, ish. It's sad, man. It's sad. It is sad. Yeah, like young head up. Imagine I'm thinking of Kostatic, and I just started loving this boy. Wankalagat.
Yo, I love him even today.
You understand? All of a sudden, the boy died. For what?
Wanna check how old was AKA was 35.
AK was 35, yes?
Yeah, AKA was 35 when he died. Who else? Costa.
Kostatic?
Costa was 27 when he died.
27?
Yeah, 27 when he died. Tell I don't tell that we are searching everybody that died. Who else? Who else died? Blackout.
That one was young, maybe.
That one was young then.
I-
Oh, shame. Blackout was 23 when he died.
Kilaka was 23.
Yeah, when he
Well,
died.
when he was a
He
child.
was still a baby. Blackout was 23 when he died. Who else died? Malume Vector. Bato. Malume Vector was 32 years old.
Imagine.
when he
This is
died.
what we are saying, Hore. Our celebrities don't get to age 40. I don't know what's happening. 40, Kiona maximum. About 40.
And then they die due to dumb diseases, dumb things that they could have avoided or went to therapy for. So the first comment under this post, it says like it comes from Philip. Ori, I've been reading all the comments, but unfortunately not even a single person wanna go straight to the point or the real answer, which is SA celebrities die young because they had joined cults that come with a price to pay as consequences. Bathanda izithwalo labantu imali esheshayo. They like something that is called isithwalo se-contract. Once you join that, you get rich fast, but at some certain age, you die, leaving your fake wealth behind, and nobody is gonna benefit from it because as soon or later it vanishes like that. It had never existed before. Once you die, your wealth also dies.
It fades away. Then why do you join it if they saying there's a cult they need to join? Then why do you join it? Because when you die, it dies also, and then your kids it's useless to join that cult. You understand? If it's there, guys, I'm thinking, why do you join it? Actually, it's only guy that stupid cult. We all want.
If you can search Dr. 2+2 nomngani wakhe. Woo! Ntatolo wathusa. Wait.
Who's Dr. 2+2?
Hey. Ho na le ntate kwa kwa KZN.
But get Dr.
Ke Dr. 2+2.
Ke ngaka? Why are 2+2? 2 million adds 2 million.
Ntate o KOT.
No, it's literally.
And then he opened it, like he became open and admitted to mina. I'm no longer inyanga. Mina nyathakatha ngila nyathakatha sokushine lightning lo baba no.
Dr. 2 plus 2.
This one.
So this Dr. 2 plus 2 udeala nka the celebrities ubafa in
Noma yini ufuna ukube inkani, go to him. Ufuna ube nemali, go to him.
How do we believe in this? These people?
Yena unali proof, unali evidence. Like people go to him and shoot Liena.
Yeah.
People go to him, shoot naye. There's this guy in KZN, I don't know, this podcast or YouTube show. Abamu shooter straight. Ari na into zami sehamba 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If do Matata, bring them back to me. Nakulukisesa sona, and you call them let's on the sharp. Because I was watching his documentary whereby actually this guy Natlo Hene is a taxi owner. Actually Hena are mina lento yakho ya seyangihlula manje singichamela even in public.
You lie. What's that thing? King yona into la.
Isitolo sakhe, tokoloshi yakhe.
And I can see he was on the podcast and he's got snakes all over.
He got snakes, snake poop.
Don't you think it's part of business? Maybe when you got the advertiser and so on.
Now got advertise. We know we were all against Maweni and everything. If you look onto this one is very dangerous.
Do you think Maweni is dangerous there?
Maweni is a darling.
What actor fella?
It's darling Maweni. Mara also
yeah, so it's a problem. Even our soccer players like the late Senzo Muiwa, our old soccer players, Libona, and they say this thing has started a long time ago.
Yeah, it's really
or our celebrities don't reach age 40.
You
understand? Only those Nzinwenziso celebrities, their last people by
descendants, now I'm a celebrity.
By Lauren Ballast, it's at the age of 40 and so on, and by Fikile. I'm wondering, now Msanti, we should search on this. I'm wondering what's happening. Like, maybe King, are they killing? Who's killing us? What's happening?
Drugs.
No, let's just. It's not every celebrity who
does drugs, yeah.
But they still, I mean, do you think Sfisonwan was doing that?
No. We don't know. We don't know.
It can't be drugs. Something is wrong. I'm saying something is wrong.
You think the water they drink in Sentin is wrong?
It might be. It might be. There's something water. Yeah. So please, guys, wherever you are, Moling, please comment on this and send us a message and say what.
Tell us your view.
What do you think? What's killing our celebrities this nowadays? King, what's there? What are they drinking? That's true. It's imagine after AKA I just woke up in the morning and on news with AKA was shot last night and the video went viral.
Our SA goat. So sad.
2 minutes. Ricky just killed himself.
Hanged himself in his studio, and I'm like,
imagine, like,
what?
Why?
What? You know, I was like, what? Ricky, what? Why? You know, I cried for Ricky. I loved him. I cried. I was like, no, man, this cannot be the Ricky. I got to criticize a song with Big Zulu there, and I'm like,
I wish you got Bagabo and tell us what's
going
on, guys. What we don't see, you must tell us what we don't see. You understand?
What lies
actually, let me just say, our youth now,
someone said to me, if you haven't noticed, we celebrate death more than weddings.
So what did he mean when he said that?
People die at a young age without getting married. Basically, they were saying, hey, as black people, we die more than we celebrate. We celebrate weddings. That's what happens. We die more. So, challenge, it's confusing. It's sad. It's heartbreaking. It's a lot of things at once, man. Like, oh yeah, it leaves you speechless. No Jananang, we are waiting. Who is next?
Yeah.
Pella, a year.
Yeah.
A celebrity has to die. A year.
2 or 3 celebrities.
Die in a year. And we cry. We keep quiet. The answer is right in our faces. But you know?
I can't even think about it because I don't even want to think about it because I don't know what's happening to our South African celebrities. Understand? And why is this thing happening only in South Africa?
How old is Maphorisa?
Pore, there is some no.
Pori, be careful. Gabza. Sorry, Dio. Be careful, Pori.
Maybe he will turn 40.
This year, name?
Yeah. Pori is an old crockniana.
Let me check. How old is DJ Maphorisa? And Gabza the small. Okay. DJ Maphorisa is 37. Gabza the small is 32. Guys, Kapelani, you might be next. I don't predict the future.
No, you must pray on that, guys. You must
pray on that.
Don't forget, let's just keep our culture.
Take it like as a
warning. The way we grew up, our grandmothers taught us, you need to pray, you need to please follow on that. And, I believe even if we die, we're living in a love lane. Somewhere down the road, we're still going to meet again. Understand? Maybe
I can't wait to die and meet Rick and Costa teach Ezulwini, Espuze wine, Namavev.
Anyways, guys, from me to you,
wait. After the death of Costa teaching, Alpha Cat went underground. Where is he?
I don't know. I don't. Literally, I don't know.
When some celebrities die, some go underground. Where are they?
I don't know.
Alpha Cat is nowhere to be seen. Ntombazana Kolanayo is nowhere to be seen. After Killer Gao's death, the sister gone underground now. Where's everybody?
I don't know.
Babu, Misabagofa, are they scared of death?
No one is not scared of death. We are all scared of death.
I'm not. Basically, I'm ready. And I want to see my grandmother and other OJs stay in heaven. Nah.
So what do you mean you're ready?
I want to go see Tupac Shakur. I want to go see who else? Who's the celebrity that died? Man, I want to go see AKA. I want to go see Rick. I want to go see the whole gang.
How are you going to see them? Because when you're not on their level, when VIP,
everything has a price. Everything has a price.
Crazy one. Anyways, asivaleni siyayivala lento siyayivala nexoxo bathi siyayivala ixoxo or siyayivala ipo something like that. Rayikwala qopo. Something like that. Anyways, asivaleni. From me to you, Salty Kere, bonang, like, subscribe, and enjoy. Always, more than more thing, na recocha. So from me to you, I say I love you. Like and subscribe. Hit that button. Ding, 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 ding.
From me to you, goodbye.
Don't forget, go in, dig in more YouTube and look for that Scamto or his hashtag Scamto podcast. It's changed, Mara.
I hate that song.
It's changed. It's Coco. No, even Nico is saying that it's arsenic. Guys, please. Kenang streaming arsenic ne. It's a good song. Skiri track it's Lorin. These are the songs Lorin. These are the songs Lorin that is Spanish mo podcasting. Kinyeko lo ari kunini kokota. Mara he raps in Tsonga. In Tsonga. It says urini rikokota. Like we've been knocking, guys. Please open opportunities
Ah,
for eyes.
immediately open opportunities for them. They end up becoming Scott Mapoma. By the way, bye.
See you guys.
Control, smack features up left and right like a console. Flex rhymes and not see a dime, not the console. Most cats dig just how I kick it. I'm infinity, more cash spending something different. Niggas used to so clap, chill, now it's business. So I'm here to take the whole stash, this just the beginning. Boys, listen, I've been gone, but all I hear's the same shit. Not missing, I've been on, and all it took was patience. Irene kokota me fulele, Irene kokota me fulele.